Windows Update keeps failing with 0x800f0831. Downloads fine, fails during install, rolls back, 3 fixes in order. Most people are done after fix 2. The update gets to a percentage during install, then rolls back and shows that error code. You run it again, same fail, same spot, everything else on your PC works fine. It's just this update. This is it. I've fixed this after clean installs, skipped update chains, and corrupted Windows components. Same 2 commands clear it almost every time. Fix 1. Run the built-in update troubleshooter. Open Settings. For Windows 11, it's System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, Windows Update, Run. For Windows 10, it's Update and Security, Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters, Windows Update, Run. Restart after it finishes. Try the update again. If that worked, subscribe to help somebody else. Still failing? Go to Fix 2. Fix 2. Repair the update components. Windows Update is missing a piece from a previous update that got corrupted. DISM downloads a clean replacement directly from Microsoft to fill the gap. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, run as administrator, click Yes. Type this exactly and hit Enter. DISM Online, Cleanup, Image, Restore Health. Hit Enter. This takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. The percentage crawls. It may sit at the same number for a few minutes and look frozen. It's not frozen. Don't close the window. When DISM finishes, type this and hit Enter. SFC/scannow. Another few minutes. Restart your PC. Open Windows Update. Run it again. If the update installs, skip to the end. Still failing? Go to Fix 3. Fix 3. Install the update manually. Open Settings. Update History. Find the update that failed. It has a KB number next to it. Open your browser. Go to catalog.update.microsoft.com. Search that KB number. Find the version that matches your Windows edition, 10 or 11, 64-bit. Click Download. Click the link. Run the file. Restart when it's done. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Check for updates. If it shows you're up to date or the failed update now appears as installed, you're done. You just fixed it yourself. Subscribe so the next person finds this too. Still rolling back on the same update? Drop a comment with the KB number that's failing. I'll help you track down why.